Welcome to the GLOBAL.Ga.P Document Center. Here you can find all the documents related to GLOBAL.Ga.P standards. The Document Center has two basic search options: filter by category, which you can see on the left, or search by text using the field at the top. To filter by category, first choose a main category type. Clicking on one of these options on the left will open a drop-down box showing the subcategories. Select or deselect the desired categories by ticking the boxes. You can select as many categories as you like. Once you have made your selection, the results will appear on the right. Filtering by language and document type can be a good way to narrow down your search. To search for a specific document, for example the GRASP checklist, simply type the document name into the search field at the top. A list of all documents matching these terms is then shown in the results table. You can also combine the two search options, for example by adding a language filter to this text search. To start a new search, click on Reset Selection above the categories on the left. If you're unsure which document or version you need, you can also navigate through the For Producers section on our website. There you will find relevant information and the corresponding documents listed under Quick Links on the right.